will be planned with underground electricity and sewerage works. We will provide roads inside the village on which vehicle can ply. So the committee has got the authorization from the inhabitants that they will not hinder in the work of construction with the NGOs. Simultaneously, we on behalf of committee have arranged the destructed water supply scheme. We have rather rehabilitated the water supply scheme on our self basis, and it has been restored to the whole village. Similarly, you have seen that the destruction intensity is so vast that even mosque and other places has completely been destroyed. We have started a temporary mosque, construction of temporary mosque on a new place, because it will take 2 to 3 years for the rebuilding of the infrastructure of the already demolished area. As the task is very gigantic and huge, there is a lot of difficulties for removing the debris of the whole village, which will take quite a big time, but the citizen foundations have assured us that they have arranged for the bulldozers to move the debris outside the village. We are also taking care of the displaced families from this village, which has gone to other cities of Pakistan. Our committee, provide them food at their doorsteps and also help them financially so that they could live easily. Another thing which I will like to bring in your information is that we have computerized the whole system, and the donation which is being by the individuals or the NGOs or from some other organization are being computerized, and proper record entry is being maintained, and the record of the delivery is also maintained, which can be seen anytime by any organizations. Keeping in view our system at spot, the Red Crescent from Qatar, they have joined hand with us and they are helping us, and we are very thankful to them that they are providing tents for the needy people. Up till now, they have provided around about 1,500 tents in the vicinity of village Batal, and they are providing on the daily basis more tents. We just survey and give them a demand. They come themselves and we distribute with them. Similarly, the World Food Program has also extended their full cooperation with us. So far we have brought 4 trucks of food. Previously, around about 15 to 20 trucks were brought by us on our self basis from our friends and other colleagues, which has been distributed among the deserving people. So we have close contact with the World Food Program, and they have assured that in future they will be assisting us on the food items. So these were the measures achievement of this committee which have done so far. We have requested our friends engineers from Karachi, Lahore and Islamabad who recently visited our village and generously donated 2 trucks comprising of tents, food, blankets and other materials. And they have also donated a Suzuki pickup for the transportation purpose because we need a transport to shift the material from one village to another site. So they have helped us in this, and I am especially thankful to the Housing Society of the Institution of Engineer Pakistan, Lahore, IEPM, and especially their President, Engineer Chaudhry Muhammad Rashid Khan, Kaisar Zaman, Engineer MP Gagwani, and all other executive members who have taken the trouble and have come to the far-flung area of our village. They have stayed with us, they have seen the whole destruction, and they have ensured that in future they will help us generously to the extent they can. We have also planned to run a school by the IEP Foundation. The chairman IEP Foundation was here, and he has assured that a standard school in the private sector should be immediately started, for which the funding will be provided by the Institution of Engineer Pakistan Foundation. So we are preparing a feasibility report for them and hope in near future we will be able to start this project also. You have seen the video, the classical loss which is unimaginable as are being borne by the individuals, and we hope for generous donation, and we also hope that international NGOs will come to the rescue of the people so that this village could come again on the same pattern as it was. It was a very lively, very good, very comfortable village previously. The other thing which the committee has done for the rehabilitation work of this village, it will be very helpful to know that Dr. Ejaz Khan from Al Shafa Hospital has started hospital on self-basis with the collaboration of their colleagues from Islamabad, Lahore and Karachi. They have treated thousands of patients in this hospital, and they are working day and night on that aspect. We are very much satisfied, and the people are getting their first aid and other required medicine properly. The tent village has been established for temporarily. The people are living in this village. We provide them the food and other required material. Similarly, we intend to construct one-room semi-permanent house comprising of GA sheets so that the snowfall could not destroy their tent and they could live comfortably inside these semi-permanent rooms. We are trying our best at our own level to give maximum facilities to the people of this village and surrounding area, and hopefully by the grace of God Almighty this will be over. You can see the destruction of the schools, houses, hospitals and civic centers.